Oh man, yeah, you gain frequencies with that, but you lose lows.
Love the stand. It happens.
Oh, that's massive audio.
Do what?
Are these massives?
Nope, they're audio pipe.
Audio pipe, sorry, okay.
Yep.
Wow.
You want to keep me out of this so you can get good footage, man?
You can come in, dude.
Okay,
He's got back seats, that's the way you demo. You got back seats, demo back seats.
Yeah, I'm actually a big fan of both of y'all. I appreciate you. Yeah. I mean, you're definitely on the up and comer list, I'm pretty sure. I appreciate watching your live videos. I appreciate you. It's mounted up, but no, I don't have the problem with the RCAs. Yeah. Yeah,
Oh,
some
man.
people
Can I see the back, too?
solutions. Yep.
Sorry. What vehicle is this?
Do what?
What vehicle?
It's a Toyota, it's a Sequoia.
Sequoia.
See my port so I can pull out,
Oh,
but
nice.
it's fine.
Oh man, yeah, you gain frequencies with that, but you lose lows.
Love the stand. It happens. Thank you. Yeah.
Wow.
It was all birch, right? No, it's just the sanded plywood. Oh, okay.
Nice.
BC grade.
Unfortunately, I could get some magnet from that. Sorry. And this is all on Tear Amps A 12K.
12K, yeah.
12K, okay.
12K, and I got 128 AH of lithium.
All right. Is this at, since it's 6 subs, what are you wired to?
1.3.
1.3?
That's what it owns to.
Got it, okay. Do you have a high output alternator?
Yes.
Can I see that too?
Yep.
I like to see everything. Yeah. Well, his voltage is doing. Where's your voltage drop down to right now? Your voltage. How does your voltage hold?
It stays in the 13s or 12s.
Yeah.
So the
alternator is hitting
way down there.
What size was it?
250.
250. Okay.
Yep.
Awesome. Yeah, that must have been a pain to get into. Thanks for showing me, man. What's your name?
Parker.
Parker. Jacob. Nice to meet Parker. Yep.
channel ever get in?
Play me some pimpin', man.
What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.